Hi, I'm Kate Lisi, Emergency Management Coordinator for Consumers Energy. This week's historic storms have brought numerous challenges for our customers. We appreciate your continued patience as we work to safely restore power to homes and businesses throughout the state. Your safety is our top priority, and you can help make sure no one is injured by remembering these safety tips. First, generator safety is critical. An improperly used generator can cause potentially fatal carbon monoxide poisoning. Never use a generator in an attached garage, basement, or outside near any air intakes, and never refuel a generator while it's running. We strongly recommend that you purchase a carbon monoxide alarm to detect this colorless, odorless gas. Second, drive carefully. Be aware that many intersections have non-working traffic signals because of power outages. Michigan law requires that you treat all of these intersections as four-way stops. Also, be sure to stop at all railroad crossings, as crossing gates and lights may not be working because of power outages. Third, never go near a downed power line and never touch anything a power line may be touching. This storm has produced a record number of downed wires, and we want to make sure that everyone stays at least 25 feet away and reports downed wires immediately to 1-800-477-5050. Finally, frozen pipes that burst can cause significant home damage. If you have to leave your home before power is restored, keep faucets at a constant drip to prevent pipes from freezing. These and other critical safety tips can be found at consumersenergy.com/safety. Working together for safer communities, that's our promise to Michigan.